How to handle shipping and delivery issues online. Shipping and delivery are critical components of the e-commerce experience and can have a major impact on customer satisfaction and retention. In this article, we will explore several methods for handling shipping and delivery issues in online retail. Set clear expectations. Setting clear expectations upfront is essential for avoiding shipping and delivery issues. This can involve providing detailed information about shipping times, delivery options, and any potential delays or issues that may arise. Communicate proactively. Proactive communication is key to keeping customers informed and engaged throughout the shipping and delivery process. This can involve sending order confirmation and shipping confirmation emails, as well as providing tracking information and updates on any delays or issues that may arise. Offer multiple shipping options. Offering multiple shipping options can help accommodate customers with different needs and preferences, as well as provide greater flexibility in the event of unexpected delays or issues. This can involve offering expedited or international shipping, as well as allowing customers to choose their preferred carrier or delivery method. Use reliable carriers. Using reliable carriers is crucial for ensuring that packages are delivered on time and in good condition. Make sure to research carriers carefully and choose those with a proven track record of reliability and quality service. Provide package insurance. Providing package insurance can give customers peace of mind and protect them in the event of lost or damaged packages. Make sure to offer reasonable insurance options and communicate the benefits of purchasing package insurance to your customers. Address issues promptly. Addressing shipping and delivery issues promptly is essential for maintaining customer satisfaction and loyalty. This can involve responding to customer inquiries and complaints in a timely and professional manner, as well as taking steps to resolve any issues that may arise. Offer refunds or replacements. Offering refunds or replacements for damaged or lost packages can help reassure customers and show them that you value their business. Make sure to have a clear policy in place for handling these situations, and communicate it clearly to your customers. Monitor delivery performance. Monitoring delivery performance can help identify issues or trends that may be affecting your shipping and delivery processes. This can involve tracking delivery times, analyzing carrier performance, and gathering feedback from customers to identify areas for improvement. Invest in logistics technology. Investing in logistics technology can help streamline your shipping and delivery processes, as well as provide greater visibility and control over your inventory and supply chain. This can involve using software systems for order management, inventory tracking, and shipping automation. Continuously improve processes. Continuously improving your shipping and delivery processes is essential for staying competitive and meeting the evolving needs of your customers. This can involve analyzing data, gathering feedback from customers and employees, and testing new strategies and technologies to optimize your operations. Use customer feedback to improve your processes. Customer feedback is a valuable source of information for improving your shipping and delivery processes. Make sure to gather feedback from your customers regularly, and use it to identify areas for improvement and implement changes that will enhance the customer experience. Monitor carrier performance. Monitoring carrier performance is crucial for ensuring that packages are delivered on time and in good condition. Make sure to track carrier performance metrics, such as delivery times, lost or damaged packages, and customer complaints, and use this information to choose carriers that provide the best Overall service. Use package tracking tools. Package tracking tools can provide customers with real-time updates on the status of their packages and help them stay informed about any potential delays or issues. Make sure to provide tracking information to your customers